anything for those children. We will leave them shaking abroad and day. Those children feel grow for abroad, make them turn to junkie. If care is not taken, I will ask those children. Make sure say me and you will not will get anything out of those children. Instead, may you get something out of those children. I'll make sure say me and you not get anything out of those children. I go swear for them they will turn junkie. If I never do bad before, I will do it to my own self. Instead, make you carry those children, get paper from their head. Then your people, they celebrate you on Facebook or anywhere. I will swear for you, Rose, when we say that paper when you use me get, you go use and they useless for life. And if you can't still reach worst, I will still carry my penis come outside. I swear for those children. They will still they useless. Even when they are useful, they will not remember me and you self. I will make sure I turn their eye. They not will know you. They not will still know me. They will just they like who not get papa mama. You marry native daughter now. You know what I can do. If I know they do bad before, I will use this one, take one. And even though God say I not will go heaven for doing it, I will go ahead, but I'll make sure say you and your people when they clap hand for you, they will regret their action. You want to use me get paper? That paper will send you to your early grave. It will send you to prison. You will be useless with that paper. As you get that paper, people when you not get paper will better pass you. And it's where when I will put for your life with that. Now my paper, as I give those children paper, you take from them, and me give you paper. Now if I swear put, it will affect you. You know how many people get passport when they useless? I mean, they say that passport they bring money. Ask people when they are abroad. 25% get passport, then they very useless, and you will be one of those people that will be useless with that paper when you want to collect from me. Yeah, only. Loco di mani fide waka. Yeah, only. Gaga gugu. Yeah, only. Hungry they run for him face. Yeah, only. Go. I put my mouth for song. Mr. Follow. They follow. Yeah, be like hotel. If I really wanted to stay abroad, I'll use this place to make money. I can do it like how do you call it? Where person can just come and lodge. It's in the center. Just come and lodge. A month I can get more than what the rent they are supposed to pay because it's there for city center. I can open the window. You can see from here. I can do it like a lodge. If I really get into say I really want to stay this abroad, I use this my house. They do lodge, 3-bedroom lodge. We can sell people one. They'll pay any amount. So no, I don't want to do that. Now, renting is more peaceful. It's more peaceful. Dun. Di. Hungry they run for him face. Mr. Follow. They follow. Make you open sense. Mr. Follow. Yeah, only. See waiting person they sleep for free. You don't know how I pay rent. You don't know how I bring food. You don't know how I buy house. You don't know anything how I pay hospital bills. You don't know how I buy children's clothes. You don't know how I buy your own clothes. You don't know how I wake up early, go to work. You don't know how I return lately. You don't know how I bathe children. You don't know how I stay sleepless night, prepare food for children to 3 o'clock, sometimes the whole night. Devil did this word though. They get what they call devil. Now this word name devil day. And that devil, I will make sure say you did useless for life because you useless when I met you. You go back to that uselessness. You did very useless when I met you. Even as we dey talk, if not be me when he shirt you, when he cover you, you still dey useless. They know you for Facebook. Now me put you there. Now be say you be better person. All those people when they sleep with their brother wife, they not dey Facebook. Are they not popular? They are still popular. So then I put you like a responsible woman. Now me create and now me put you. Now me get the organization. If they know you for organization, come me say you dey useful. You still dey useless. But I will make sure say you dey more useless. Anyhow I take get her document, I go useless hand for her hand. No be say go come. Now they watch and I should be God keep all of us alive. Now bad news now go they hear from her body. Not be say I dey proud. As far as my connection and me bring her to abroad, he no go use that document do anything. Go even though I bring her to abroad, say no be my document, they can't go seek asylum, they can't give her, and he not come out here with peace. He go still dey useless. Now many of una get passport, I know wetin I dey talk. Many of una get passport, they work for una hand. And now so it will be. Now me carry and come abroad. She has been fighting for US visa over 30 years. They not give her, even waiting the right for her praise. Waiting the right for computer for US. He can never get US visa, and her dream was to go to US. This paper he can go US, but he can never be well with her. She also have a bad luck. But I'll make sure say she go there use that paper will bring more sorrow and tears to her life. Not be say go come. Now when they rejoice with her, will sorrow with her. No going back. We can never come back together. So this thing na destruction. Na destruction. He go witness what he can't do for native daughter house. Uche wife don't pack. The very day when this thing happen, I make sure even though I'm controlling my temper, because I can't because of this woman, I can't still have problem. Because I'm happy that it happened. I can also not fight Uche. I'm even in Nigeria, I will not even fight somebody like this. I have to concentrate on the woman that lured them. But even though the woman lured and I cannot take it, say me and Uche sleep the same house. So Uche have not been sleeping here ever since, but the wife don't run away. The wife run away. I said she ran away. Oh. She run away. Before I come back from work on Sunday, she don't disappear. So I know say those kids get passport, she will get. That's why I was well for her. Not to say no will get. Me, I can't stop her from getting, except I stop the kids. And me, I don't want to do that one. Me not be say this innocent children, I use everything punish them. And you should know that the generation born of these children, I don't already bless them. Generation born 1 million years to come, I don't bless them. But anything concerning Queen Rose, their mother, will suffer, will regret. The passport will be hot for her hand. But as for these children, they are already blessed forever. Even though you deport them to Nigeria, they will come back anytime they realize themselves. I have blessed them for life. But their mother must not enjoy them. Instead, make their mother enjoy them will cause the children not to make it. But now the mama will put curse on her life. That paper will turn problem in her life. People, they want to get paper, will be say they're prisoner. People, they want to get paper, they not get luck. People don't get paper and accident they take and get. She go experience all these things. Which person will feel be like me? They few. This kind of house when would they bring you 700 euro a month? I carry and give one useless person like this. At least this money this house has not been bringing money. This room, as e dey center, so now with her bag 700, with her bag 700 euro. Then that 700 euro, now I carry give this mumu woman. Come feed and join. Come give her money join. Come give her bank ATM card join. Come buy cloth for her when never say thank you. Come cook African food for her when dey expensive for abroad. Then she come call me police. Come call me police. The atrocity not even concern you, because I know say it's her food and she's going soon. But he can't call me police join. Every day now they remember different thing. Today where I go barb hair, look at where I go barb hair. Now my neighbor, the next door here. This one you see, so na salute. This one so na salute. He can't ask me, say, now they give me information today. Say that day before police came, your woman was crying on the phone, crying, making call and crying at the same time. He said she was making call and crying at the same time. It was a plan something. They call, Uche, they call, all of them call police. She made that call crying on the phone, not just make calls. This Baba today said she made that call crying hard on phone. I just cut my head today. Now waiting to tell me that this Baba. It shall never be well with that Queen Rose. Upon my money, you want to send me jail. That Pikin, you know, will shop their fruits. You know, will shop the labor if I thought you ever labor. You know, will shop ammo. That paper. Anything they call problem when traveling, I will give you. Anything they call delay when traveling, I will give you. Anything they call accident when traveling, now you go see Queen Rose Mama Maria. That is my paper, whether you get it now or later. For people to help you, you go the heavy then like a load. But for them to curse you, go they sweet them. For people to help you, go be like say they want to carry the whole world for head, you go the heavy them. But for them to fail you, disappoint you, go they sweet them, or they very light. You don't kill Mr. Do Good. You know, go see you go do good for you for the rest of your life, Queen Rose. Man no go do good for you, woman no go do good for you. Pikin when you born no go do good for you. As person they see shit when they remove eye. Now so man and woman will see Queen Rose, Mama Maria go remove eye. You go ask for help, they will pay you, give you problem. You go ask for problem, they will give you problem. Anything concerning favor, you will never be favored again. Anything concerning prosperity will far from you. Every good thing I do, at the end of the day, you pay me with this. You and those who know that what you have done is not good, that supported you, this cost will go back to them. And you, Queen Rose, and they will share this cost equally. Now go share it equally. Shall not be well with you, Queen Rose. Those children will not give you any fruit. Say, because you born children, you need peace. You will never see peace from them. Even though not be me born them, so long that me help them, come this abroad, give them paper, you will not enjoy anything from them. And if na me mistakenly born them, na double wahala for dead body, now you go dey get Queen Rose Amen. Now problem upon problem upon problem upon problem upon problem, now you go dey get. You any good thing you ever do for man or woman, na evil they will take pay you. Now police, now they will take they arrest you. Prison from prison from prison. Police upon police upon police. You do good for man, will call police and arrest you. Do good for woman, will call police and arrest you. It shall not be well with you. You will never live to smile. You will never live to smile, Queen Rose and Mama Maria. But you will live to cry and cry and cry and cry and cry. Sorrow and tears will be upon your life. This thing you did openly, that people know the truth. Those that are siding you will never know peace in their life, and the children will never give them anything good in their life. Those that know that this thing is wrong, we are not asking you to come and tell us it's wrong, but for siding what is wrong, for whatever reason, you and Queen Rose will gather share for this cause. That cause will manifest in your life. can't they live abroad like who they live for Nigeria? And they sleep different room. You get another room. 2 room where will give us like 1,400. Will give us like 1,400 euro. I give you respect. Leave this big room for you and your children. 700 euro. I go to sleep another one. Normally, if na money I can't find for abroad, na parlor self now I will go court. I go dey stay there. I know as they go. I know as they go. I will show you how I suppose. Not be say I don't know money. Oh. Not be say I don't know money. I know money. I will show you say I know money, but I decided to do it this way. I decided to do it this way. I want to show you something. Not be say they forbid money. I'll show you something. You see this parlor? I'm supposed to cut it here. Like this. This parlor is a room, very big room. If I turn, I mean want to stay here. Then this is passage. Then the 3 rooms upstairs will go for business. Why I will leave here in case I come back to where I come from any journey on Nigeria. This chair, you will see on a bed. This chair and a bed. Let me say I don't know money, but I wanted them to live a good life. Feel free. This is bed. Ready to sleep. But I said, let these people live as if they are in my palace in Africa. This woman, I go so swear for you. Now, I want to make you go, but the rate you wanted to jail me, the rate I was spending my hard-earned money, and the period I'm spending that money, raw one, that is when you want to jail me and stay in the house. Because you have arrived. I said this time you make can. I go swear for your children. But I will not swear for that will be the last thing. It's very easy. You never see Papa and swear for children. They're not going to make can, they'll just be like junkie. Now junkie when they go from prison to prison. This one they smoke, this one the other one they carry man like the way you they carry. Now one can see mostly for abroad. Now one can help parents, but I will not do that yet. Now you I will face. When I face you, they get stronger. I go enter those children. I don't feel like you. If anybody want to call me name, but thunder go fire you for calling me name. Yes. Tell me you enjoy those children. I go do otherwise. For you to say you enjoy those children, give you water, drink when you need it. I go do otherwise. For you to say you sit down, you see Pikin call, say, hey, come and give me this thing. I go make sure say then turn more wrong. You. I will tell you what makes me an Ogboni somebody that I never operated. Instead, make you sit down, say you are fine with the document, you are fine. With those 2 children, you are fine. You are lie. I go do what my maid they do when I never wanted to do. You, sorrow will be upon your life, Queen Rose. I will tell you where I know road reach when I decide to play low. I go use you to try. I go use you to try. Instead, me you sit down, make those children say, Mommy, you say, please, I need water. They give you. You get joy. We shall see until then. It's still there far. It's still there far. Time is still there. Time is still there. Every time I go sit down, not be the going out of marriage because this is our plan that it will not work. You sit down, call me police to go prison for you to take my house. Then you use my document, tested Netherlands, you send me to prison. Whether you fuck Uche or not fuck Uche, it's none of my problem. Uche is not the first person and Uche will not be last. But you trying to send me to prison. I do all I did to bring you to Nigeria, to this abroad. It was not easy for you to come. I spend my money I spend my time knowing you are very stubborn, you will do, otherwise I don't really care. I was doing for you and your children, for you to be respected in the whole world, like every other star that came to give birth. This is to send me to prison is what you plan. Queen Rose, I say Ogun will break that your one leg when remain. Ogun will break am. You use what the paper I give to those children, use and take travel, Ogun will break your leg. You get the paper through them because na me get Ogun will break your one leg when remain. You know say na one leg you get. Now you get one leg. Now you get one hand. I don't know wetin all the bad thing wey you don't do people, God don't they pay you in this world. You never know anything. Instead, make she enjoy those children. None of us will enjoy it. If you like, don't find it very bitter. I'm telling you. I know who I am. Instead, make those children favor her. You know, will favor me, no will favor her. Both of us will be zero in this children's side. Just wait and see. Now, internet never forget something. Let the same internet keep this, what I'm saying now. Whether I'm saying it out of anger, when that future reach, we will know. If they never carry this thing come out, I for look for waiting until they tie this woman leg every night. I for look for her. Waiting until they tie her leg. Person when be saying na one leg he get. And it not even concern me. I for see her. You see this waiting until they now me go come massage you every night now and then. Now me go put your leg in order. Don't carry this something come out. I for look for her. I thought I kept it somewhere. Okay, I don't see her. I never feel talk truth. Now lie, one call the lie. You see this thing will be like socks. Now how now me buy them for her. Now until they put her leg in order. From ankle, whether na ankle na they call her. That leg not dead there. If you not wear this one now, wear and then I put a boniking, come put this one. Come bandage and wear and socks, Jonah. Now the leg will come enter house, so where we let her take manage. Make her no massage this leg. Say I stay 1 week, I no massage Queen Rose leg. Queen Rose cannot walk out from here to downstairs now. The leg, no, they're not there together. Now you not get leg, now you not get hand. I bet if you see Queen Rose, make una check her wrist. She be on her friend, check her wrist. This hand come out the same way leg come out to the same right side or left side. The same way hand come out. Now so leg come out. You check her wrist. They not they hide on her wrist. Where you check on how it be. The same thing. I never see that thing before. Say one thing happened to one person hand and leg. The same way I will use this one, put the leg in order. I will massage tire. 6 years now massage I did. I will massage all her body, oh, not be because for fun, no, because none of her body is in order. None of her body is in order. You go check whether you not get tattoo for here. You check whether you not get tattoo for shoulder. That tattoo when you get for shoulder, the thing when you did that tattoo, that thing when you make and can't draw tattoo, you can't draw apple for here. That thing be like table tennis. You know they slow down. You know they go down. You know they go down. That thing swell or you can't draw like apple tree there. Make una ask now waiting there like small table tennis. That's why I tell me time. That's why I tell me time. Now you know where you work out go. I'm not even concerned how your life be, but for you to try to put me in prison, you go that prison. That prison you go. Well, why should I be talking about that you sleep, you not sleep? Is it a new thing? Is it not when your wife or spouse sleep with somebody for the first time? Is that not why? That is why it can be like a news or bad news. It's what you have been doing, not a bad news. So that's why I'm trying to see that you get out of the marriage. But for you to come and arrest me, Baba remind me today, guy, you take the cry, they make phone call to make sure it make the thing worse. But you fair, you not fair. Half human being. You never see anything, no. Any of you now when come my page, come support time. When I know say it's evil. I say Ogun go carry on a joint with Rose, now go get accidents. If you want to blogger, you want to blog nonsense, you go to where you want to blog nonsense against me. But you come to this page and put anything. Waiting happen to me will happen to you, happen to your children, happen to your daughter. Anything will happen to me through this Rose, after I help and call me police, it go happen to you, happen to your children unborn. You will collect costs for this matter. This matter when they grant cost, you go collect join the Queen Rose or Mom Maria. Now cost you will collect join. As they pay me for heart, the one way go they pay your children for heart will pass my own. Your children will do good things, they will use police, they arrest them, come up for their house. Your children will help a woman fin na police na prison. Your children go meet themselves. Your children will help husband fin na that husband will arrest and send them to jail. Waiting plan make it happen to me when enough happen will happen to those supporting her that know the truth. When the prison when be one send me when I escape and your children will not escape it for supporting evil. Shall not be well with you. No, it's too early for her to learn how to live without me. The fight never starts. Other one and they encourage her. Fight don't start. I don't know say na Nigeria we from come. Una go encourage her tire because una say go soon tire. She go soon talk whether she like it or not. Problem never start. I hope you know say hello day my house. Una go tire very soon because me I will never tire giving her back and front. Now, no say we still come my compound, come carry load. Now they say move on without me. I never see anything. We never start. This is intro. This is intro. You now say una be thinking una don't support and finish. Now never start. Una go do push up. They start. This one na intro. I do not forget say many years still there. Now forget say court and everything still there. The day when we come carry her load still there. You never understand though. Now forget say children will reach 1 year. They will do birthday. Now, course upon course, anytime when their birthday reach, anyway they celebrate and will carry everything come outside, take swear for them, swear for the mama, swear for everything. If I never know, say, swear they work, whether wrongly or rightly, now I'll use this one, no. I go swear for them till my last day on earth. And those children will not give her rest until she to die. I go so swear for them, say she no go chop cola from those children head. She no go drink water, swallow for those children head. She no go fit sleep well without those children bringing problem to her.